Unready with me with Madagascar Marula oil. Before I jump into the shower and wash off all that dirt, I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my scalp. This is great for both your hair and your skin. It's 100% sustainably harvested, and there's literally one ingredient, which is marula oil. So I'm just going to apply this like I normally apply my hair oil, which is just taking a nice dropper and then just jamming her in there. And then I go ahead and massage it in with my comb here. And then last but not least, I try to comb out the ends. Okay, then I let that sit for a little bit, and then I'm gonna hop in the shower and do my normal hair wash routine. I'll check back in with you later. Okay, so now that my hair's all washed, I'm gonna dry it for a little bit until it's damp, and then I'm gonna reapply the marula oil to the ends so it's nice and shiny and sleek. So now that my hair is damp, I'm gonna go ahead and reapply the marula oil just to the ends, and then brush it out. So I'm just gonna put that on my hands. And then brush her through. So I'm gonna finish drying my hair, and then I'm gonna check back in tomorrow and see how she looks. Okay, so this is my hair next day. I will say I almost always have to braid my hair before sleeping because it becomes an unholy tangle in the morning, and I didn't have to do that last night. I woke up just fine with minimal brushing, and it's still nice and shiny and sleek even after touching it all morning long. So if you're interested in trying out marula oil for yourself, check out the Phoenix Conservancy. We're running this as a fundraiser, so the first 100 people to donate $20 or more monthly will receive this bottle, which will go directly into restoring endangered ecosystems and saving lemurs. So if you're interested, there's a link down below where you can learn more about us and get your own marula oil today.